Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm going to be joining Grandma Sandy, Glamour Ellen, and Aunt's Place in a High Tea Tablescape challenge. And what they asked us to do was get out our best china and set our table up for company for a high tea. So that's exactly what I did. The china is my favorite, or one of my favorites. It's white on white. And I don't know if you can see that, but it has a very delicate white pattern on this white china. There is the place setting, and this is a gold charger that I got at Joann Fabrics years ago. And the set of china, I can't even read that, to be honest with you. Crown Victoria Lovelace. And I actually found that at Goodwill years ago. And this is one of my favorites. I love the white on white because it goes with so many things. The tablecloth is just white with, it's a white tablecloth with a white lace overlay. The flatware is white handled. Because like I said, I'm keeping everything white and metallic. And there are white napkins with gold glitter napkin rings. The sugar bowl matches the set. I do believe I have a creamer somewhere. It must be in a different box. I know I have platters and stuff that goes with this set also. And there's my little teapot. And that's the 3-tiered dessert stand that I made in this past week. And on the top tray are chocolates. The middle tray is blueberry scones. And the bottom tray is cucumber sandwiches. And I'm going to be having the recipe for these cucumber sandwiches for the next Tasty Tuesday, I do believe. But this is a very, very simple tablescape to do. But it's impressive because it is so simple. And I think this is absolutely perfect for a high tea. And I want to thank the ladies for inviting me to this challenge. I had a nice time doing it. If you want to know how to make this, I'll put a card up here in the corner, and you can make it. It is just the simplest thing in the world, and I started off with a piece from Goodwill. And once I get the cucumber sandwich recipe up, I'll add the card to that. And like I said before, I'm not tall enough to get a really good overview. I really wish I could. But you might notice there's no candles on this because a high tea is for the afternoon. And although you could have the candles, it just doesn't feel right lighting them during the day. So, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.